so that then when I get this one done, because half of these things are already like done, so that you can watch them. Because there's no way I'm gonna finish it in this unless you roll over again. Okay, so however it is. But let me see. I'm trying to do the important ones that at least you should know for a beginner. So even me at times I used to forget all these ones, but it's important to know them. Alright, so let's look at order by. Yeah. Order by. Now up to now we've just been doing select from here, this like that. Okay, kind of those kind of stuff. Alright, so but let's say we want to set this to play, like for instance, we need to sort them, okay, in a particular order from the ascending to the descending or from the descending to the ascending order. However, we need to sort them basically. So how would we go about it? Now we would do something very basic first. Select all from production dot categories.
This one is under order by.
Yeah, this is order by you're doing now. Okay. Then order by. Okay. I'm going to order by category name.
Categories, right?
Yeah, category name, basically. Now I'm going to do this one, right, and see what it looks like. So if you notice, it's seemingly looking as if the order by didn't actually work because of the electric bike here. Alright, but it
electric
did.
Bike and mountain bike.
It's looking as if it didn't work, but it actually worked. So if you count A, B, C, D, E, F, after C you get E, then M like that. Okay, so it actually worked. Yeah. So now my interest is in the order. Now this is ascending order. Okay, from A to Z, right? So it's going from A to Z. Now let's go in the descending order from Z to A. Okay, so for me to do that, I need to specify descending, like so. Alright?
Descending order.
Yeah. So this would kind of invert what I just saw now.
But you didn't put the complete descending.
You don't need to put the complete descending.
Okay,
That's yeah. Just like we didn't type out some things completely. Okay, it's just there. So this is me.
This from that R down.
Yeah. Okay. So that is the honoring by now in the descending order. Now it also can be applied to numbers, not just these numbers as well. So let's select all from production dot product okay, then order by list price. Okay, descending order.
Please, let's go down and see. That's price, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Why is it giving me? Come and see you.
What happened?
Okay, have you executed? Oh, you have not.
So that's basically it.
So it's giving us from the list price from
11,000.
descending down to
Yeah, to the last one. Last one should be around 89. Yeah.
yeah.
Okay, so that's basically this. Now let's combine order by with whereby. Sorry, order by with where, not whereby. Order by with where. Okay? Order by
Okay, any of the order by with where product or
yeah,
where.
with where clause. Okay, you're going to combine the order by clause with the where clause. So select all from production dot product where list price between 7, let's say 1,500 and 7,000, or 1,500 and
I thought you were saying
5,000.
we're comparing with where and order.
Yes, I'm saying I'm combining where,
Where that's
Clause.
the list price between.
yes, where, and then I'm going to add the order.
Okay.
Okay, so order by list price.
That's 5,000, right?
Yes, in the descending order.
Oh, I was thinking that you're going
Mm.
to put them on that same line.
No. Okay. So I have everything from what 1,500 all the way to what 5,000, which starts from 4,999 all the way to 1,549, right? So
It's from the list price. Yeah, it starts from 499.
yeah,
It starts from 5,000.
yeah, because I don't think there's any 5,000 there.
Okay.
Okay.
Then from the it starts from ascending order.
It's basically descending from the highest to
Yeah.
the lowest. Okay, so that's how you combine where clause and the order by. Okay, so I think that is that. The next one you're going to look at is group by, I suppose. You've seen order by. It's basically ordering in the ascending order or the descending order. Then what I did here, I think I did the new one for letters. I didn't do for letters, so let's do for letters. Then we move to the next one. So instead of just this, okay, I'm going to copy it and then change it for letters. So instead of here, I'm going to say product name. Okay, so product name. Right?
Where did you put okay, under the order by you
Yes.
put product name.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So then I will now execute. So it can be, I can use any column to order it. Alright? What that is,
So it's just the this thing that you changed now, the product name.
that is the only difference.
Okay. So it's started giving us name from up
Yeah.
down. With the price list on it too.
Yes, everything. The last person said select all. Okay? So that's basically what.
That means from this price list, from this product's name, the price list is not even up to 5,000. Because it's telling it's 340.
We are still using our this thing. We're still using our condition that says between
1,500
1,500
to
and
5,000.
5,000. So everything that is between, that is 1,500. I don't think there is anybody there that is 1,500 dots.
No, it's not. It's 2,700.
So, but the point is, the values will fall within this range. Then we will now get to order it, sort it by the product name, the descending order. So I can change conditions. I didn't show you that one. So I think I'll show you that one now. I can change conditions using and or. Okay, and or. So let's look at it. I can change condition using and or. So for this one, I'm going to say select all from sales dot order underscore item, items, right? Or items, so
Items.
it's an S, right?
Yes.
So like stars. Now I can say where quantity.
I need to quantity now. You put a G.
I'm writing QU.
You say quantity now.
Let me just look for this. I don't know, my autocomplete is not working and a lot of this is not coming up. So let me see the column names. Okay, so that's this quantity, right? And its other items, okay? And it's sales, not sellers. Okay? Yeah, so real sales is greater than
Real quantity.
quantity is greater than 5 and okay, less quantity less than
And quantity again.
yeah 9. Okay, so this is something I can use between to do, but let's do this one first.
Is
Okay.
less than 9.
Okay, that is something I can use. I got nothing in return, so let me see the quantity values first.
There's nothing like that.
Yeah, let me see. So I have 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, wonderful. Okay, so I think I'll choose one and 2. Okay, so
1 and 2 of it.
yeah. Again, nothing like that.
Why don't we do quantity and quality? What do you think?
There is no quality now.
Okay. There's nothing now.
Okay, so anyway,
1 and 3.
yeah, you 1 and 2, so I will get something.
You got something.
Yeah, I'm tired of getting nothing. I think everything here is 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. But the point is, I'm trying to combine more than one condition, right? So now the and.
So sorry, sir. So what we're now seeing now is from the quantity. Now we're seeing.
Yeah, you are seeing basically quantity too, basically.
Yeah, it's just two from the quantity.
Yes. So now the AND condition allows us, or the AND operator allows us to combine two conditions. And these two conditions must be true, okay, for both of them to return a value. Alright, so let's put it this way. Quantity greater than 1 and quantity less than 3 means that I don't want anything below 1 or 1 and below. Okay? And I don't want anything higher than 3 or 3 and higher. Okay?
So the best decision is the 2.
Yeah. So now I can decide to combine from different columns. Here I'm using only quantity and quantity.
Yes.
What if I say quantity is greater than 1 and price,
less than.
okay, it can be anything. Price is,
List price now.
yeah, list price is less than 3,000. Okay, I don't know if something like that exists, but I'll give it a try and then execute it. Now I'm getting values that fall within what? The range. Less than 3,000, but greater than quantity of what? 1.
Okay. I didn't put the 3,000. I was going to put. I'm not seeing anybody. Execute. So it's from that 3,000 now, less than
Yeah.
3,000. Okay. Okay.
So the next one is I'm going to use another example now. So select from where let's use product ID. Is equal to 5 or discount greater than 0.07. Okay. So now I'm going to get something that is different from what I did before. What I was saying before was I want where the quantity is greater than 1 or the list price is less than, and rather the list price is less than what? 3,000. Meaning all my quantity for that particular place where the list price is less than 1,000 should be bigger than what? 1. The other one I'm saying the product ID should be either 5 or that the discount is greater than what? 0.07. So for the first one, these conditions must be met. For this first one, these conditions must be met. Okay, these two must be true. This one must be greater than this, and this one must be less than this for it to be returned. But over here, it can return this alone or this alone. So if any of this condition is met in the row, that row will come back.
So in this level, the product ID should be equals to 5.
Yes, if it sees any product ID that is equals to 5, it will return it. If it sees anywhere the discount is bigger than 0.07, it will return it. Whereas over here, in that particular row, both of them must be what? Fulfilling this condition. The quantity must be bigger than 1, and the list price must be less than 3,000 before that one will come back. So that's the difference between or and.
So should we execute this answer?
Yes. So if you notice,
so the product ID now that is equals to 5. I'm confused with the values I'm seeing here.
Because it's obeying this other one. It says product ID is equal. It's obeying the two of them. Product ID is equal to what? 5. Or that discount is greater than 0.07. So if you go over here and see, anyone that is not 5, discount is obviously what? Bigger than 0.07. The only one that is 0.07 is where the discount is, where the product ID is 5. Okay. So the idea is that
I'm confused. Go again.
1, I'm saying product ID is equal to 5. That is one condition. Let's execute that part. Okay. Now, if I execute that part, everything is 5, right? And the discount varies. The discount is varying at different levels. But
why is it that your product ID is showing 5, 5, 5?
Calm down. I just executed this part that I highlighted.
Okay.
Okay. So now everything here is 5. Now I now added this second part of the condition that says or, meaning either you see 5 where product ID is equals to 5, or you return the place where the discount is bigger than 0.07. So if I run the two together, I won't only be seeing product ID 5 because of this part. There are some columns where the discount is bigger than 0.07, where the product ID is not 5. Okay, so it will get those places as well. That is why if I execute it, I'll be getting things that are not just product ID equals to 5. If I had said and, okay, it will return only product ID equals to 5, and where the discount is bigger than what? 0.7.
Okay, like there's one place here I'm seeing the product ID is 5, right? And I'm seeing the discount is 0.05.
That is because the discount the product ID is equals to 5. So you're saying something. If it's 5, you're okay. Think of it this way. You can enter my class if you have your laptop or you have paid your bills. Now, someone who has not paid the bills but has a laptop can enter the class. And someone who has not paid, or who does not have a laptop but has paid the bill can still enter the class. So the two condition is correct.
One I'm confused is you say discount greater than 0.7. So we're talking of something higher, right?
That is one of the conditions.
One of the conditions. But the here I'm seeing is less than that 0.7.
That's because the second condition fulfilled it now. That is product ID 5. What you're going to be seeing is either you have the product ID equal to 5, that is one condition, or you have the discount bigger than 0.05, 0.07, okay? So any of them can be fulfilled. And in some cases, the product ID might be equal to 5, but the discount is less than 0.07, or higher than 0.07, or equal to 0.07. And in some cases, the product ID will not be equal to 5, but the discount is bigger than that. Like where you have ID 20, the discount is what? 0.20, which is bigger than 0.07. So either of these can go. Okay? Either can go. So that is the idea. That is one thing about or. So it's mostly used when you want a product value returned. Why? If I had said and, okay, and will do something else for me, it will ensure that I only have product ID of what? 5. Whereas any other thing here can fall in. Okay? So I will not have that 0.05 that you talked about. So that is the difference between having and, okay, and having or. And now all I have is what? Product ID equals to 5, and then the value is what? Bigger. That is and. But for or, it is allowing either of the conditions. It's treating them as 1-1. Either this one or this one. Either this one or this one. Okay, right? And is seeing them as together. Okay, that is the difference. So hope that is clear.
It's clear.
So now that we've seen how to use it with the where clause, okay, the next thing now is to look at, I believe it's order by. Sorry, okay, it's done order by. Done or and. Okay. Now let's say that we want to limit our values. We don't want all these things returned. Okay, you want to limit our values. You want to say I want only the values, the first 20 or top 100 or top 20 or top million, whatever. Okay, so we can say that by saying select top, right, 50. Okay, then I'm not going to say what's it called, or from sales dot order items where, okay, product ID is equal to 6 and item ID is equal to, or let's say greater than 6. Okay, I don't know if it's up to 50, but let's give it a try. Alright, that is quite big, so let's use greater than this float. Okay, so I'm running out of ideas to use. Also not.
Change the equals to again.
Alright, I changed it to this, but I don't think that is the problem. 2. Let's see. Okay, so I think the problem was there was no C's. So yeah, so greater than 2. So it's going to give me top 50. But I don't think it's up to 50, so let me reduce it to top 10. Alright? So now I have 32 records. Okay? And I want the top 10. Then for me to get the top 10, I need to order by. Okay, order by. What am I ordering by? The price. Okay.
Where is it getting you 32 record?
Are you not seeing 1 to 32? If I execute this, select top 50, it was top 50 before, right?
And it's top 10, me is giving me from 1 to 10.
Yeah, it's not top 10. Okay, when it was top 50 before, I was trying to get 50, but the item was not up to 50. So I was only getting 32. So I'm now saying top 10. So top 10 should give me the top 10 that it has normally. Okay? But now I want to order it such that it obeys a particular rule. Okay, so I want to order it by the discounts. Okay? In the descending order. Those that have the highest discounts, top 10. Okay? So that is that. So then this can answer the question like, get the top 10 buyers, okay, of a given product. Okay? Top 10 buyers of a given product, something like that. Alright, so but again, we're just practicing and learning some things. What else can we do today? Alright, let's move forward. Let's look at aggregate functions. Okay? Aggregate functions will allow us to start solving some mathematics